Hello, it's Ms. Meadow. This lesson is all about the present continuous tense. Here's our goal. I can use the present continuous tense, also called present progressive, to describe an action that is happening now. So again, this tense describes an action in progress. It's happening right now. What do you notice about these examples? What is similar about them, or what do they have in common? One thing you might notice is that all of the verbs end in the same letters, ing. What else do you notice? Another thing you might notice is that each sentence begins with a pronoun and a form of the verb be. So I am, I'm, he is, he's, we are, we're. The present continuous always uses am, is, or are. When we're speaking, we almost always use the contraction I'm, he's, you're, and so on. And the verb will end in ing. So here it is all together. I am or I'm, you are or you're, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, they are, they're. You take that form, you add the verb plus ing. Here are some examples. Here are some examples. I'm writing or I am writing. Here are some examples. You're fishing. You are fishing. He's running. He is running. She's swimming. She is swimming. It's raining. It is raining. They're dancing. They are dancing. And we're eating. We are eating. And we're eating. We are eating. So if we have the verb walking, we could say they're walking or he's walking. If the verb is eating, we might say I'm eating or it's eating. You can also use this form to talk about a noun. So instead of a pronoun, he, she, it, etc., you could say something like the dog is sleeping or the boy is sleeping. Okay, let's put it together. So if we have the subject, Zara, and the verb, listen to music, can you write a sentence using the present continuous or ing tense? Here's what that would look like. Zara is listening to music. Here the subjects are Kate and Sam, and the verb is cook. Write a sentence using the present continuous tense. Kate and Sam are cooking. And last, if the subject is I and the verb is study, how would we put this together for the present continuous? I'm studying or I am studying. Okay, thanks for watching.